Hey guys, in case you were wondering, I'm actually a Jamaican, right? How you could tell? What was the giveaway? Was it that or that or this? Yes, I'm a Jamaican, a very, very proud Jamaican at that. So much so that my channel here is Jamaican Sinting. I'm a Jamaican Sinting, a Jamaican me born and grow. And until recently, I was living there, but now I'm away. I miss home, as you can see. But you know what? I stay connected to Jamaica. And I hope, especially for you who are abroad, you stay connected to Jamaica too. Today is a very, very important day for Jamaicans. Today is our election day. What? You never hear? Huh. Well, I have a little poem for you about Jamaican election, especially as it pertains to you abroad. But if you are in Jamaica right now and you watch this video, I hope you can send me a response and tell me, yes, you have your finger dipped in the ink, mean that you went and vote. Don't give up your right. Not many people have that right all around the world, so don't give it up. You need to fight for your rights. Okay, so take a listen. Jamaican election 2011. Yeah, that boy. Which part you there? Here's a election time. Dung a yawd tideh. Of course, me know it's a election. But me no business with them and them things. How you fi say so when all a we sinting? Watch your man. Me there farine now. Me no have time for lay when all them a do a run off them mouth and not nothing good for say. Believe me understand your frustration. But no, I know the time for throwing the towel and give up on your nation. Understand say, not because you're there foreign, you can't make a contribution. And not only money me attack. I don't know your frequent Western Union. Your family and friends back a yard don't just need your dollars. You need your words of wisdom, support more than any others. Tell them don't choose the green or the orange just because, well, are your favorite colors. Or run go vote for Busha Brown because just for the election time, he might issue a few dollars. Think about your choice carefully and vote for the person, not just the party. Remember, you need the person who have the most potential for uplift your community. Then, work with the elected person, whoever it may be, to help make things better. Not think you have to sit down and wait for government to do everything. Tell your family to be go-getters. Then tell them, have integrity. Stand up for what is right and just and do well in a them little community. Yes. Each away, home or abroad, have a role to play. Don't forget this very important fact. Jamaica land we love. Jamaican Sinting said that. Election is today, guys. Please go out and vote if you have the capability to. If you're enumerated, please go and vote. Remember, put your country first. Don't forget that. Bye.